Hey Snapchat users! Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to turn on time-sensitive notifications for Snapchat in 2025. If you're tired of getting bombarded with notifications that aren't urgent, this feature is perfect for you. It prioritizes alerts for time-limited content like snaps that are about to expire, helping you stay focused and in the loop without distractions. First, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest 2025 version. Head to your device's App Store, search for Snapchat, and hit Update if needed. This ensures you have access to the newest settings. Once that's done, open the Snapchat app on your phone or tablet. You'll land on the camera screen, so tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your account settings. Now, scroll down on your profile page and tap the gear icon labeled Settings to enter the main settings menu. In Settings, look for the Notifications section. It might be under Privacy or General, depending on your device. Tap on it to open the notifications options. Here, you'll see various toggles for different notification types. Scroll until you find Time-Sensitive Notifications or Priority Alerts. Snapchat's 2025 update might call it that. Once you spot it, simply toggle the switch to the On position. You may see additional options, like selecting specific activities for time-sensitive alerts, so customize it to your liking if you want. After enabling it, exit back to the main app. You're all set. Your notifications will now only pop up for truly important, time-based content. Remember, if you don't see this option, restart the app or check for any regional restrictions. This simple change can make your Snapchat experience way more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.